All right, this is going to be a video to attempt to install this Apex Tactical new mag catch for the CZ P10. Going to replace the factory ambidextrous one where you can push it from this direction or from this direction. It works okay, but it's a little bit stiff. It's hard to get leverage, and if you push too hard, sometimes it'll catch a mag. So Apex has come up with this new model. So I'm just going to verify it's clear, pull the trigger, take the slide off. It's very similar to how a Glock comes apart. It might be a little bit hard to do on camera, but basically all you have to do is take a pin punch. I'm using a Glock tool here. We push the trigger forward to get some room, and we're basically going to grab this tab of the mag release with a needle nose pliers while pushing the pin out. So we'll see if we can do this, and with you actually seeing what's happening. A little bit tricky, but not too bad. You just basically grab the top large tab of the mag catch, and you're basically removing pressure from it, and then you're pushing the pin out. Once the pin is out, you can grab that, and you're going to pull this out. So this is the orientation it goes down in there. You can also see there's a spring right in there. Point it out here with the tool. The spring has to stay down in that pocket. If it isn't, it will not work right. So make sure you don't lose that spring. Then it's just simply a matter of removing the mag catch and swapping it. Now you're going to see some differences here in the mag catch. This on your right is the factory catch. You see how it's got a V cut in it. That is so it works both directions. Apex went a different direction, and they did a unidirectional. So you pick what handedness you need and what length you want. So this is a right-handed tactical length, which is a little bit shorter than their competition length. So that's the one that we're putting in. So I'm going to set that one aside. And then you basically just line this up in the frame. And you get the kind of the notch free there. And you're going to grab the lever here, and we're going to prep by putting the pin slightly on the frame, just enough so it's ready to go. I don't have to fumble with it as badly. And I'm going to kind of do a little contortionist here, but basically you push the flat piece down on top of that spring, push down, push in, get it lined up. It may be a little bit tricky, just kind of depends. And yes, it's a little bit tricky. Got to get it down in that notch. You'll kind of feel it. It's a lot easier to do when you don't have to get it on camera. But basically, there you go. Just did it. And make sure that's flush. There you go. Now, to test, to show you how different it is, we're going to push that trigger back towards the rear. Gonna put the slide on. And take our magazine. And presto changeo. Super easy. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, it's fantastic. The Apex mag release is great.